Welcome back. In this video, you'll learn how to force restart your Huawei Band 9. So it's fairly simple. All you need to do is simply press on the button on the side of the band until you see the band turning off and then the logo appearing. So let's put it into practice. Locate the button, press on it, and continue pressing. If you see the power off menu appearing, just ignore it and continue pressing. Keep pressing, and then when the logo appears like that, then it means that you've successfully restarted your band. So now just wait for it to turn on completely. So now all you need to do is simply sync it to your phone and you can start using the band normally. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.